Alright, so we're going to, I guess it's Washington National. I've never seen it like this before. Where's my flight? Let's see. It's a 10 a.m. flight, 4190. So here we go. It's this flight. Boom, on time, 8:26A. I'm currently in C. Yeah. We're in Newark, and we're going to Washington D.C. Reagan National Airport. Here we go. It said this little journey takes 16 minutes, and I have like 20 something. These people are from my last flight. The little kid was hilarious while we were waiting to board the plane. He was playing a video game, and he was like, "Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me, bro." And I asked his parents, I'm like, is he playing with people online? And they're like, nope. He just gets it from his brother. As you can tell, this is a massive United hub. I've flown out of here a lot internationally. I don't know about domestically. Here, I'll show you a little here. I think I'm going the wrong way, so I turned around. I think I need to go to AirTrain. Everything down this way was all C gates. I looked and I'm like, this isn't good. I don't see anything for A gates. So, transfer shut up like gate 71. Okay, so that was the right way. 71. Oh, it's really weird. I was right by 71. I didn't see anything. Oh, okay. So it's this like sign right there. It says inner terminal transfer bus. Yeah, so I need to go to that. I had to show my boarding pass. It's normally quicker to walk. Big wait. Terminal A only. I only heard that like 20 times. Terminal A, that's us. Guess you gotta go up an elevator. Oh, let's take the stairs. Why not? That wasn't bad. Just one flight. So I hopped. This is A28, and I need A26A. So this is pretty easy. I guess they say a long time just for the purpose of that shuttle. You never know how long that's gonna take. Do a little walk through. Look, this is our gate right here. Our plane is on time. But look, you can't even see like where our gate is. It should be like, I'm guessing over here. It's just straight out and you don't have an angle of that, so you can't see your plane. Alright, well, this is a really small terminal. They're doing a ton of construction here. This terminal, it looks like it's like a little subset of Terminal A, so that's why that security's right there, and you can't really do much. There's like 10 gates here or something. It's crazy. I have never seen a vending machine for salads before. Granted, I never really look for them, but this is the first one I just randomly stumbled across. This is what they cost. Like, thought maybe we could scroll. There we go. So anywhere from 10, 11 bucks.
There's another one or something. Jade.
Didn't feel like he was really checking anything at all there. So don't go that way. Before I forget, hey Cam, hey Mason, going to DC. Not sure who that guy is. That's kind of creepy. Yeah, there it is. CRJ550. Tons of legroom. We're very solid outside. It's gonna be one of those kind of videos. I just wanted to chime in really quick here. iPhone has a difficult time when the glass here has water on it. I was going to call it a windshield, but it's just your window. Anyhow, but it's really hard to get it to focus on things further away. So I was trying to use my other iPhone, because when I film these, I don't use my primary phone that I actually use for phone calls and texting. It's an older iPhone that actually it's lighter and it's easier to do this stuff with the video, and it still shoots in 4K and looks pretty good. So that's why I still use it. But just wanted to explain why it looks like this sometimes, and I'm trying to do my best to try to make this something you would want to watch. So enjoy the rest of the video. Favorite things with flying is when you take off, it's like this, it's not very good weather, but when you go above the clouds, when you finally break above, like right here, everything is beautiful again. It's like nothing down there on the ground. It's like a totally different day. It's sunshine and blue skies. Love it. Also, if you notice, I sometimes will shoot a lot of flying through clouds or partly cloudy days. That is my absolute favorite thing to see when flying, and just that, it's just awesome to me. So sorry, not sorry.
First, to welcome you to Washington D.C., where the local time is 11:11 a.m.
A lot of gates this way. Oh, that's kind of cool. This was shut down after 9/11 for a while too, and then they opened it back up. Okay, right up, pick up to the right. Yeah, it's this guy right here, Virginia. This is lit. This is the National Mall. They're setting up for a big police, some sort of national police memorial thing that's going on tonight. And then on your other side, you have the Capitol building of the United States of America. Not sure what's going on here. I think he's asleep. Looks like he's asleep. We'll hope he's asleep. That's where I'm working. And I found out where I'll be. It's one of these trucks. So hey, if you like this video, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe if you go to see more videos like it in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. Take flight. So I lied, that's the Home and Away show. This is my TNT show. So yeah, just give me a little more info.